Testing out the new Armani skin tint. I found this at the Sephora in Las Vegas. Do I like it? Stay tuned. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion, travel, basically things that make you look and feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I just got back from a whirlwind trip to Las Vegas. We flew out Monday morning, flew back Friday night. We had 4 full days of just exploring, shopping, swimming, a little bit of everything fun. Now, I don't gamble that much. I think I spent $20 at the slot machines the whole week. But what I did do was I explored a lot of different shops. We were staying in the new Aria complex, and this was called, actual hotel was called the Vidara, and that's right connected to the Cosmopolitan, the Bellagio, as well as the Crystal shops. So we enjoyed all of those places, had some great meals, a lot of fun, went to some celebrity restaurants, and then we went shopping. Now, the Sephora I went to this time was at the Planet Hollywood shop. There's also a Sephora at the Venetian and one at Fashion Show Mall, may even be more. But this one we went to was pretty good sized Sephora at the Planet Hollywood shops. There were some brands there I'd never seen before, and some products that maybe had not yet in the stores here in Virginia. Now this Armani skin tint, this may have been around, I don't know, I had not really been looking that closely. But after testing out several brands, this is the one I decided on. I also got a birthday gift, even though it's not my birthday yet. Makeup by Mario, love this. Anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate this for you now, let you know what I think about it. It's actually my 3rd day wearing it. So stay tuned. Okay, now before I dig into the new foundation I bought, I'm going to do a little bit of priming. I have already used moisturizers and serums, but this is Tula Skincare Filter Primer. I've had this for a while. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my face. Just kind of just tapping everything in. A little bit on the neck. Okay. And this is, I got this from Sephora recently. This was actually a freebie. I used my points to get this. And this is Innisfree UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 45. And first time using it. And of course, if you have points, there are all kinds of great gifts you can get at Sephora. So, just a little bit here. Just making sure you got sunscreen. Yep, during the Vegas trip, made sure I had plenty of sunscreen with me every day. Actually, this is a great time of year to go to Vegas because it's hot in the afternoons. You can swim in the pools, enjoy yourself. But then it's a little bit cooler, particularly morning at night, so you can walk around outdoors and not get super hot and sweaty. So we had a really great time. Okay, now this is the foundation I bought. Yep, I decided to buy the Armani Skin Tint, Long Wear and Care. And I have another Armani foundation that I really like. So I was interested in seeing how this compares. Now I tested several before deciding on this one. In the Sephora store in Las Vegas, they had Gucci makeup. I have not yet seen Gucci makeup in any of the Virginia Sephora stores. It may be coming soon. It may be there now. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been in one. I actually tried the Gucci skin tint. I put it on my hand, and I swear, when I put that Gucci skin tint on my hand, every line in my hand seemed to be accentuated. So I tried on this one, and this one seemed to have the opposite effect. It seemed to actually blur the lines. So guess which one I decided to buy? Plus it was $10 cheaper. This was $49 for 1 ounce. The Gucci was $59 for 1 ounce. So this is Armani. I got the shade. Let's see, what shade did I get in this? This doesn't even say. L2. I think they had fair, light, medium, and deep. And this is the L2, which is sort of a light, cool, neutral. And this seems to work well for me. I'm going to use the BK Beauty 101 brush to apply this and just gently sort of tap into the skin. Just sort of pressing it into the skin. I think it's the easiest way to get a smooth application. Did not need very much. This has very good coverage. And this has a very sort of natural skin-like finish to it. I wore it a couple of days on the trip and really liked it. It held up through a lot of walking around and exploring, and we were very full, long days in Vegas. So yeah, I am liking this a lot. This Armani Skin Tint, Long Wear and Care Skin Tint. I really like the way the product works on my skin. Okay, now off camera I used a little bit of Armani concealer as well as some Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. Now I'm gonna just set with this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and just a little bit here, and just sort of tapping a little bit using a blender. And this is the Beauty Blender powder applicator. Okay. And now I'm going to just use my favorite Hourglass bronzer. You see, I love this double-ended brush from Eco Tools. Very inexpensive, but allows you to like apply right on the cheekbones with this end, and then take the fluffy end and just sort of give you a little overall bronzing effect. There we go. Side of the nose. This is something I bought a while ago. Glow Enhancer Fluid Sheer from Giorgio Armani, and nice pink color. I'm going to just take my fingers and apply this in a little bit on the cheeks. And that can kind of work as both a blush and a highlighter, because if you want any more, you can always mix something else in. In fact, I think I am going to take a little bit of this Polite Society or a little more color. So I'm just going to do a little extra touch of this. Again, just tap it and use the fingers. Okay, also did my eyes off camera. This is Natasha Denona Roxa palette, and I used Charlotte Tilbury mascara. Now for the lips. This was actually another free gift from Sephora. This is Happy Birthday. I actually came in on the night of September 30th. We went to the Sephora at the Planet Hollywood shops. And they said, oh, you've got a birthday gift. My birthday is October 14th, so it hasn't actually come up yet. But I said, sure, I'll take one, because they seem to have more selections than they did locally. This is Makeup by Maria lip kit, and it has a liner and a lip balm. So let's try this out. And the colors were just perfect for me. So, on with it. Very soft, easy to spread liner. Goes on without any tugging at all. Good liner lets you define and shape your lips. And this is the balm. The shade of this is called Rosewood Glow, but it was a free gift set. And look at the nice shine that this offers. Really happy with this gift. So, hey, if anybody has a birthday this month and you see one of these, get it. It's great. Okay, so this is the look for today, using the new Armani foundation, the Armani skin tint, and the new Makeup by Mario lip kit, as well as a lot of my other favorite items. And I'm going to go out and enjoy myself. By the way, this t-shirt I got in the Las Vegas Arts District for $10. You know, if you shop a lot of the casino shops, particularly the Bellagio and Caesars, of course we went in and looked around, and there's some gorgeous stuff. Bellagio, Caesars, the Wynn has great high-end shops. The Crystal shops, which are really near where we stayed in the area complex. Beautiful high-end designer. We went in Hermes, we went in Chanel, we went in Dior, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga. All of the great designers have stores in Vegas. However, if you really want something affordable and you want to not break the bank on a purchase, take the Deuce Bus up to the Arts District. And there are all these great consignment shops, boutiques, trendy, vintagey, really cool stuff. It's about less than a mile from the Strip. And the Deuce Bus, it's $8 for a full day pass, or I think it's $4 for each trip. Great way to get there. And that's where I found this shirt for $10. Well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.